Welcome guys to tutorial number 19 in the Javascript series, and today we're going to talk about functions. Well, what are functions? Functions are just a code which can be reused, set of codes which are into a block, and that block is known by the function name, and which I'm going to tell you what is, and that block can be used whenever I want them. Alright, I just call that function and that function is gonna do its work, what it does. Alright, to create a function, just type the keyword which is a function, then whatever the name of your function is. For example, if your function is just showing a message, alright, then you type the word message over here. If your function is for addition of two numbers, then just type the word add and create a function. So function name should be appropriate, and which should be something that you can remember. Alright, well, function name can whatever be, but just don't put anything else, just very relevant word. Alright, my function is just gonna print message, so I'm gonna print just name my function message, and just remember to use this parenthesis after the function name, and in this parenthesis what you provide is a parameters, which we will talk later with the functions and with parameters. But for now, note that for creating a function, type the keyword function, the name of the function, then this parenthesis, and between these curly braces is the body of the function, whatever work you want to do. Into my body, it means the body of my function, not my body. Alright, we're gonna create an alert dialog box, and this is just gonna say this is the message from whom? From Don Corleone. Alright, just make this D capital and this C capital. Well, this is the message from Don Corleone, and this is just a basic function. Let's just Control S and run this into the Chrome. You can see nothing pops up, or nothing is alert is showing, but what does this means is this function is there, but this function is never getting called. It's never gonna work because the function is not called. Just to call a function, and to call a function you just write the function name and these parentheses, that's all. The function is called. Alright, and hence we run this into the Chrome, and you can see a dialog box appears. This is the message from Don Corleone, and you press OK. That's it, because you cannot mess with Don Corleone. So that's all about functions, and these functions is called whenever I want it to be called, not like a while loop. While is also the code reusability, but what it does is, for example, if there is a while condition over here, what it does is it checks for the condition. It doesn't check for whenever I want it, it just checks for the condition. For example, while has something like while needs to be less than some value. Alright, if the while loop is going to work for 10 times, it is going to work for 10 times, even if I don't want it to be. If I don't want a message or a function to don't work, all I do is I just don't call this, and if the function is still there, alright, function still exists, but it's not called and it's not gonna work. So that's all about the functions, and we're gonna talk more about these functions, the different type of functions, and how you can use different type of functions. So don't worry about it, we're gonna go into the deep, and thanks for till now. Thanks for watching, have a good day.